All right, this is the to be continued. I shot a video last night that had a bunch of connections, and pretty much all of it is been changed like 25,000 times. So I believe this to be the correct setup. Connect the power supply will come on, Arduino will come on. The sensor is currently dry, it's outside of the cup, so that should throw the high signal, which should switch the relay and create continuity between the common terminal, the normally open terminal. This relay is connected to that, also connected to ground, so that'll complete the circuit. Excuse me, not the relay, the solenoid. That will complete the circuit for the solenoid, and that should, as soon as this relay clicks, this should also click, and I believe this click is louder, so we should be able to hear it all happen right about now. Yep, that's the sound of the relay switching the solenoid on. It was a small click followed by almost immediately a big click, and we're gonna dip our sensor into the water. The light on the relay, the red light, should go off, which means that the connection has switched from between the common terminal and the normally open terminal back to the normally closed terminal, which has nothing connected to it, therefore breaking the circuit for the solenoid. Solenoid should close because it's a normally closed solenoid. Ready? And dip. Boom! Lights off, solenoid's closed. Let's try it again. Let's take it out of the water. Slight delay. Oh, there it is. It still had a drip of water on the tip of it. I wiped it with my finger and it fired. Let's try it again. We'll dip it in. Valve's open. It's filling up the dog water. Now the sensor is touching the water. Slight delay for splashing. And the valve should be closed again. Let's try it one last time. Taking it out. Dry. Boom, valve's open, filling. Boom, closed, nice and fast. This is so cool. All right, so we've got our functionality. Yes. And yeah, this is so cool. Excellent. Nothing appears to be overheating or smoking or doing anything crazy, so that's a good sign. Dry sensor, boom, there we go, I love it. All right, cool, well, it works as it should. Now it's time to make this all look a heck of a lot prettier and start to actually drill some holes in my junction box, get everything positioned the way it's supposed to be. Yes, this is so awesome. All right, that's enough of that. We'll let it be. Unplug it, and we have ourselves a successful little microcontroller project here. 24 volt solenoid valve, 24 volt relay, 24 volt and 5 volt power supply for the 5 volt Arduino, because you can't run 24 to that thing or it'll probably explode. All right, cool. We are all set. Unplugging for safety. And the valve closed again, which is cool because it's normally closed. So that's actually part of the fail-safe part of this is if something's going wrong with this entire thing, the customer can open the little access door and unplug, and that should really just stop everything that's going on. And if for some reason something else is happening, there's also going to be a quarter turn shut off prior to the valve. That way there you can isolate the water from the entire situation. God forbid, something's really gone awry. But there we go.